Alright, y'all, so we arriving to unlock a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. And she's getting some food and she left her keys in the car, man. It happened, so we're gonna see if we can help her out. Okay, so on this vehicle, there's an auto lock feature, meaning that when you pop the lock to unlock it, it'll lock back immediately. And usually you can just pull the door handle and the lock at the same time, but the tint was so dark on the vehicle, I couldn't really see it to do it at the same time. So I decided to use one of my bendy tools, and I could see the key. So I just decided to try and pull the keys out through the window. The only issue I had was making the hole big enough in the window. But I used one of my other airbag tools, and I was able to get the keys out of the window, as you'll see right here. You said that's the key, right? It pop out. Okay, I see. If I can't, this other one kind of blocking it. If I can't pull it out, I'm gonna take this off. But I think we got it.
My shit right now got like 400 because I got the tune.
There we go.
I got that shit.
You're welcome.
Come on, dead ass. It's too
I was about to say, we had to break the keys here or anything.
Oh yeah, I was about to.